This week on Sailing Miss Lone Star, it's just us girls. And Jordan and I get into our first disagreement. Kent the rigger has returned to the Pacific Northwest. Jordan and Anya and I are getting in the truck to take the 5-hour trip from Todos Santos back to Puerto Escondido, Mexico. We fuel up on coffee and hit the road for some beautiful desert scenery. After listening to the road trip mix 3 times over, we make it back to the boat by sunset, and the water taxi takes us back to Murphy, the 39 Lancer. We've been fixing her up and getting her ready to sell as a boat flip. We wake up before daybreak for our first cup of morning coffee and watch the sunrise.
There's only so many places they could be.
Pardon. Here we go.
Where are we going?
Well, we are right here in this super safe little harbor, and we are going to just swirl out here, circle around, and make our way into Agua Verde.
Yeah.
1984 is fine, yeah?
Yeah, no, it's good. That's up to date. It wasn't that long ago. It's a good year.
I think 85 was a bit better, but 84 is probably good too.
You ready, sister?
Almost.
You made a mystery out of love. Breathe in new life in my lungs. Why would I ever run? You brought new light. Whoa, 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 but there's no mistaking. You're the only one I want.
All right, clear.
You are a mystery. Oh, where did you come from? I never knew that love would shine like the sun. Shine like the sun. Come light a fire, burn like the rising sun. I never thought I'd find you, but here you are.
Yeah, it's probably a little cold out there.
Yes.
Makes me wish you wore a bra.
Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me, even though I don't deserve it. Thank you for loving me. Thank you.
Give all my love to you, darling. Keep walking.
Thank you for loving me.
All my love to you, darling. Keep walking. Keep shining. Give all my love to
Thank
you,
you
darling.
for loving
Keep
me.
walking. Keep shining.
Who's driving the boat, Dale?
Oh God.
Spotlight over me, but you're the only one to see what's really going on beneath. Feels like starting over until it's over. Truth comes back when we want it. Truth comes back if we want it.
It feels so good to be out here soaking up the sun in one of the most beautiful places I've seen, and I've seen a few. The contrast between the mountains and the ocean is breathtaking.
Start unraveling, but you were the only one to see what's really pulling every string. Here's to starting over before it's over. Truth comes back when we want it. Truth comes back when we want it. Back where we want it. Back if we want it. Truth comes back when we want it. Here's to starting over. Here's to starting over again.
Alright, so good news and bad news. It's noisy right now and I'm cooking because we blew out the head sail.
So, what are we up to?
So here we are in the water. I'm just cooking. Audrey's driving, sailing.
Motorboat, son of a.
She's motorboating us. It's loud, but it's beautiful. So there's that. So we have been on a bone broth kick lately, and that's what I'm making right now. So I've got celery, onion, garlic, all real rough chopped and thrown in the pot.
Vamos a bailar, vamos a bailar.
Do you have a lineup?
Sure fucking don't. It's actually right in that back corner. And I've got it. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay,
God, I'm
good
gonna
job.
Lose or break the gap.
All right.
Okay. Oh, that's better-ish.
Okay. Go ahead and release the gaff.
Release the gap.
I want to know what's going on with this other line back there.
Okay. It's a bit nicer than the 2-liter soda bottle attached to that one.
Jordan jumps into the water to check our holding and see if we should maybe pick up and move. After she comes up, we decide it's best to find a better spot to drop the hook.
From the starboard.
It doesn't matter. Probably I would untie the shortest side so you have less line to pull.
She just told me about them.
Okay, will you go through it in reverse, bear down a little bit, and I'll give you this command when to put it back in neutral. I just want to see the chain for myself because it's really hard to tell down there. Yeah, we're good. Cut it. Woohoo! High five. Yeah.
I got a feeling it's the moment my life's gonna start.
That's not what I'm fishing for, but I catch it. Look, I can't be in charge of what I
I
get.
wanna fly, know that I could. I got a feeling, it's all feeling
Oh,
good.
I can't even gap that.
I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. The sun shows
Do I eat it now?
No,
It's a baby delicious.
it is a baby delicious.
It's ceviche veal.
Hi, buddy. Thanks for coming to play. Gotta go though.
Okay.
Send it back. Send somebody bigger. You can't eat that right now. It's too little.
I got the feeling
Oh my
this
God.
heart won't ever stop. No, don't ever stop.
Same damn fish.
I'll show the
Nope.
way.
Oh!
Something bigger.
Yeah, that was a little too. Oh, we're gonna get some third time catch.
Yeah, I really want that dorado that we saw.
Oh my God, that dorado was massive. I don't even know if I would have been able to.
You definitely, certainly could. And I'll harpoon him from the side. We'll have some ceviche.
Oh my God, so much food. Sashimi. I think it's sashimi.
I've been known to eat it off the back of the boat.
Oh hell yeah.
Yes.